an exotic adult drink. So we have a Coca-Cola frozen beverage station, 40-ounce capacity. Basically put ice in here, blends it up nicely, turns it into a slush, and it looks vintage. Okay, so it's made of plastic, not metal, but it does a pretty good job imitating it. This is your slushy cup. It's got two settings, coarse and fine, for grinding the ice. So yes, if you have like a magic bullet or something, you could use that, but why bother when you can just drop it in here and this starts turning. I guess you can see there's these little blades right in here. Caution sharp blade inside. Yeah, let's give it a go and try it. So this is the delicious and refreshing nostalgia retro vintage slushy and ice cone maker. Very easy. There are two levels, coarse and fine. We're gonna go on coarse, okay? So we can have some shaved ice. Now this little spinner gets thrown up the top, but first we need to fill it with ice. Obviously you want to pour this into the machine and then grab our mango and then fill it. Take this off. And we point out there's little blades on both ends here, so we want to go and dump this. And again, depending on how big of a drink this is going to be, you pour as much as you want, and we're going to grab some rum. This is an exotic adult drink. There you go. Now this works with ice cones as well. So if you had an ice cone, you simply just shave the ice, you fill it up, and then you get the shaved ice, you put it into a cup, and then you pour a little bit of syrup on top. Meal liquid juice enhancer is something you could use for snow cones. It comes in various different flavors, and well, you can definitely just pour this over your ice. Alright, so next up is we put this in, and then this plastic stirrer needs to kind of catch at the very top. You do that by turning it like this. See that? So now this is in place. That is cut out the top, the mechanism, and now we basically turn. We could stop it and see where we're at, or we could kind of reposition the ice so it falls in. Now do not put your fingers in. Okay, now we turn this out, and let's take a look. Nice. There's this one, and then there's another one as well that's not branded.